Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to use magic wand. So if you want to select the area with the color option, you can use the magic wand tools. For example, in here I will create brush tools with brush tools like this, objects, and I will change into black color. And the next I will set into the red color. Now if you want to select the black color in here, we can use this magic wand tools. You can select, click this magic wand, and there are three options. You can use one selection, or add by using this option, or subtract. As example, I will use this one selection. You can select at this color red, and then you can release to select. I will click again, hold to select. If you want to add, you can click this icon, and I will add with this color, also in it, and in another area. So with these magic wand tools, you can select by using the color option. Okay, to deselect, you can use this subtract. Okay, I will select in here. Maybe deselect, or you can deselect all selection by using this option. Okay, I will select again, black color, red color, and then blue color. To deselect one, you can use these tools, select the color to deselect. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to use magic wand. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.